Strategies for handling bed and breakfast owner pain points. How to overcome them and stand out in a crowded market. Hey there, amazing viewers. Enjoy our episodes? Don't just hover around, dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of bed and breakfast knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Owning and running a bed and breakfast can be one of the most rewarding yet challenging endeavors one can undertake. There are several major bed and breakfast owner pain points to overcome in order to keep business flowing and achieve success. This episode is aimed at discussing the 7 principal pain points and presenting realistic, easy-to-implement solutions for them. The information provided is taken from the course Inside Track, Mastering Your Bed and Breakfast Business. This course is full of beneficial tips and techniques for current and potential B&B owners. Great news! The Inside Track, Mastering Your B&B Business course has been revitalized and relaunched. Unlock your B&B's potential with the Inside Track, Mastering Your B&B's Business course. Tailored for both new and experienced innkeepers, our course offers 49 lessons across 11 modules covering everything from crafting unforgettable guest experiences to navigating industry regulations. Learn at your own pace with videos, MP3s, and PDFs, and solidify your knowledge with end-of-the-module quizzes. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your B&B, this course equips you with insider insights to transform your property into a standout destination. Click the link to see how you can benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your bed and breakfast business. Making the guest experience personal. A very important aspect of success for a B&B is the guest experience. One of the first priorities is to outline the way to deliver excellent service, but at the same time, this offers certain challenges. The problem? Making guest experience personal can be challenging as everyone has unique tastes and expectations, which makes it very difficult to satisfy every person the same way. Solution? Utilize booking information to make observations on preferences of the guest, such as dietary requirements, preferred room setups, or special occasions. For smaller touches, even a personalized welcome note will do. Example, you get a guest who says it's their birthday during their stay with you. That calls for a little celebration, or at least a birthday card and a small cake in the room. Problematic customers. It becomes very stressful when you're dealing with demanding customers. The problem? Negative interaction brings down your mood and has an effect on the vibe of your B&B. The solution? Communication skills are always great. Therefore, try to stay calm and always act professionally. Always have a good understanding of the guest's concern and try to rectify any problem as quickly as possible. A complimentary amenity really goes a long way. Regular maintenance and repairs. The problem? Keeping your property in great condition is paramount to make your guests feel happy and safe, but at times it can be a big headache. The costs associated with repair and maintenance work that is impromptu, meaning without a plan, can be expensive and time-consuming. The solution? Set a routine for maintenance checks and stick to it. Example, having the plumbing or electrical system scheduled for annual maintenance checks to avoid expensive breakdowns. Balance your maintenance with human comfort. The problem? If maintenance is not properly managed, it often gets messy and immediately causes disturbances to the guests. Solution? Always do maintenance during off-peak occupation times. Tell the guests in advance there's going to be some pre-planned maintenance so as not to unexpectedly disrupt a holiday. You can make amends with the rate or some additional amenities. Example, If there's need for repainting, schedule that in the off-season and reduce the rate an additional 20%. Marketing and promotions. In the competitive online marketplace, bed and breakfast owners need to stand out to attract guests. The problem? Keeping up with reviews and maintaining an online presence can be very stressful. The solution? Build a strong online reputation with a user-friendly website and active social engagement. Encourage happy guests to leave a positive review and promptly address any negative comments. Example: regularly post photos of your property and local attractions on your social media pages to keep your audience engaged. Budgeting and forecasting. The problem: with the fluctuation of the hospitality market, the business of finance management and forecasting can be a task. The solution? Track income and expenses through bookkeeping software. Develop a budget and make adjustments that are dependent on the occupancy and seasonal variations. Example: reserve part of your peak season cash inflow to take care of the off-season expenses. Coping with the unplanned. The problem? Unexpected expenses like repairs and cancellations can strain your budget. Solution? Develop contingency reserves for unexpected expenses. Have an elastic booking policy to avoid cancellations. Example: develop a cancellation policy that permits guests to reschedule the reservation instead of forfeiting their deposit. Tired of the dizzying array of analytics and planning required to enhance your B&B? We're here to help. Our Crafting the Perfect Stay 25 Essential Insights for Bed and Breakfast Owners is your free ticket to simplicity and success. It's as invigorating as your first cup of joe, loaded with knowledge you need. Download it now and start creating unforgettable experiences at your B&B. As a bed and breakfast owner, which of these 7 common challenges have you found most difficult to manage, and what solutions have worked best for you? Share your experiences below. In conclusion, if running a bed and breakfast business were easy, everyone would be doing it, right? The good news is that with the right strategies, these bed and breakfast owner pain points can be effectively managed. Having personalized interactions with the guests, caring for your property, going online, and proper financial handling will make your endeavor successful and most satisfying. For more details, you can enroll in the Inside Track Mastering Your B&B Business course. It's a very useful resource for any B&B owner looking to further their business. In the next episode, I will talk about how to boost your B&B occupancy rates. And that's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Remember, it's more than just the comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until next time, sweet dreams and sweeter success.